Today, we're gonna learn the It Depends Challenge by Chris Brown. Now, I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of the video, you will have it, okay? This video is gonna be mirrored. My right is your right, my left is your left, all right? Starting off with the first section, you wanna have this rock here. So my hands are gonna be coming in, just folded, and I wanna have this rock. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? My hands are coming in on the count 8. So I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, these rocks are gonna happen like this. When I hit the 8, I go 1, 2, 3, then I switch hands 6, 7, 8. Just get those hands in that rock. I promise it will help you with the groove. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, to add in the legs, what you're gonna do, you're gonna crunch your body in on the 8, and you're gonna be on a little angle here, okay? Then, when I step out, I rock back. Then I bring my right leg in, whoop, do the same thing, rock back. Then I bring my left leg in, open out, right leg in, open out. Bring it in, all right? So that's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now, from there, you finish that move right here. You're going to take your left leg and step out to the left. Hands come up by your head. Look over your left shoulder. Then bring it to the center. Look over your right shoulder, bring it to your center. All right? When you do that, you have this little bounce in your body. Boom, cap, boom, cap. All right? Do that with me. We're gonna step out the left leg nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the hands here, I noticed the dancers and Chris Brown do a little bit different variations, but the same step. You keep the hands here with the head, or you have it more of a little rock, all right? So you can choose which dancer, or if you want to follow Chris Brown, exactly, which one, okay? So we're gonna start from the very top, add it together. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, open up. 5, 6, 7, stop. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, to finish off the section, you come down in your body, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 8, I'm just doing like a come here. You hear in the song it says, come here. I can't sing like Chris Brown, but we got that vibe there. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And he has like 2 little grooves that he does under it, but you can see the dancers, they kind of do like their own thing, and they kind of use the same timing, but their own vibe with it. Okay? We're gonna do it like Chris Brown though. So we set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's connect section 1 all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that is section 1. So that's just nice and chill. Come here, you'll hear it in the song. Now, moving on to section 2. With these legs now, the rhythm's gonna go boom, cap, boom, boom, cap, boom, cap, boom, boom, cap. Say that rhythm. I promise if you say it to yourself, you're gonna get this move. Okay, one more time. Using my left hand first, we'll add the hands as we're saying it. You're gonna pull your left hand first, boom, snap, then pull your right hand twice. Boom, boom, snap. Repeat that again. Boom, snap, boom, boom. And then this last one, just for the timing right now, snap, okay? Get that one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said boom, cap, boom, boom, cap, boom, cap, boom, boom, cap. Now the legs, every time I cap or snap, my legs are gonna be going out. So when I pull here, my legs are gonna be in nice little base here, and the knees pop out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This last one I'm gonna cross my right leg in front of the left. 8, land. Okay? So that's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay? Let's do that slow to make sure you get those legs. I feel like this is probably the trickiest part of the dance. So, the rhythm of the legs, without putting like the groove and style into it, I'm just going boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. Okay? To remember that again, they're going with the hands, slow, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom. This is where you cross, cross, back. Stop there. Do the same thing, but now drop your waist, and we're gonna do it with the groove. So the groove is coming with that torso area. Almost feels like you're doing like a butterfly motion, but you're just using your upper body as you roll out. Ha, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom. All right, what did we just do? So when we finish from the very top, connecting it nice and slow from section 1 into section 2 here. So we said 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's gonna be our actual timing when we're doing it all together, okay? One more time. 5, 6, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? All right. So if you see the timing there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be your actual timing there, okay? So from here now, we go into this part here where we're taking our left hand, it's going to be across our body, just like Chris, and you have this like this little bounce to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just to get that bounce in your body. Now you keep that bounce going, you're going to go 1, 2, hand 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, one more time. We said 1, 2, listen, up, switch the hands here. So I'm putting the call here, this hand just goes to the side, call it out, roll it on out. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, I'm gonna go down. I'm using my hands by my hips and I'm opening up the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, boom, 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 boom. Yes, that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, after you release the last hit here, you have a moment to freestyle your own moment, boom, to hit into your own kind of vibe. So some people are slapping the ground, some people are just doing their own things in the back. When you see the reference video, you know what I'm talking about, but just keep the timing. So we said from here, the glitching, I call this the glitch, like, okay, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll it on out, boom, 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 and smack. Stop there for now, okay? By the way, this is section 3, okay? So let's connect it nice and slow from the very top, from section 1 all the way up to section 3. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stop there. Section 2, we pull it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then we go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that was nice and slow. Yes, if you messed up a little bit, it's all good. We're gonna do it one more time all together before we go into the last section, okay? Here we go, all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, and do, 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 go, 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 boom, 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 ka. Hey, all right, stop there for now. Take a moment, get it all together, all right? Let's go on to our final section, section 4. Now, from here, you're just stepping with the right leg first. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's our steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes on in on the 8. So we're going eat, sleep, sleep in. Okay? So it goes eat, sleep, sleep in. So when I step on that right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in on the 8. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the last section, this is where you get your freakiness on, all right? So you just step out into your own kind of like freaky move, body rolls, hip rolls, any type of roll you want to do. You step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything you want after that, okay? So that's the end of section 4. Let's repeat section 4 one more time, just so you can get this little groove here. Ba, 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 ba. You eat it, sleep, and a hoop, cat. Again, we said 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the dance. Let's put it all together, slow first, from the very first section up to here to make sure you have your timing, okay? Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You with me? Now we go to section 2, the pulls. Boom, shot, boom, boom, shot, boom, shot, boom, boom, cat, ha. Section 3, bounce, bounce, ha, ha, switch, switch, roll it out, boom, 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 snap it out, stop. Section 4, ha, 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 sleep and asleep. And groove, groove, groove it out, woo! All right, let's put it all together now, straight through, no stopping, all right? Here we go, all the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 boom, ka, boom, 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 ka, hit it. Do 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 ka 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 boom 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 ka hey do 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 do. Yes, yes, yes. I hope you guys got that. Now it's time for you to try with the music right over here, or if you want to learn another popular dance, just click right over here. All right. Peace out until next time, and enjoy, y'all. Do 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 do.